Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video that got almost no views? You spent hours creating the perfect thumbnail, writing a good title, and adding hashtags, but your video still didn't perform. In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make and how you can avoid them to grow your channel faster. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to grow on YouTube, especially with gaming videos, this video is for you. Watch until the end, because even one small mistake can stop your videos from reaching more people. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Your thumbnail is the first thing people notice. If it looks boring or confusing, people won't click your video. Use bright colors, clear text, and one main subject. Mistake number 2. Weak titles. A boring title won't attract viewers. Instead of Granny Chapter to Gameplay, try I Found Granny's Secret Room. Your title should make people curious. Mistake number 3. Many creators waste the first 20 to 30 seconds with long intros. Most viewers leave before the real content starts. Start your video with the most exciting moment. Mistake number 4. Inconsistent upload schedule. Uploading one video today and then disappearing for 2 weeks makes it harder to build an audience. Try to upload consistently. Mistake number 5. Poor audio. People can forgive average video quality. They usually won't stay if the audio is hard to hear. Always make sure your voice is clear. Mistake number 6. Ignoring analytics. Open YouTube Studio and check. Click through rate CTR, asterisk audience retention, asterisk watch time. These numbers tell you why your videos are performing well or not. Mistake number 7. Too many hashtags. Adding 30 or 40 hashtags doesn't help. Use only 3 to 5 hashtags that match your video. Mistake number 8. No editing. If your video has long silent moments, no zooms, no sound effects, and no captions, viewers may lose interest. Keep your videos engaging with simple edits. Mistake number 9. Not giving viewers a reason to stay. Keep viewers curious. Tell them they'll see something exciting later in the video. Mistake number 10. Giving up too soon. Many successful YouTubers uploaded dozens or even hundreds of videos before they became successful. Don't quit after a few uploads. Keep learning, improving, and uploading consistently. Conclusion. Those are the 10 biggest mistakes that stop many YouTube channels from growing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which mistake you've made before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.